Hello children, how are you? Hope you all must be fine and safe at home. Okay, so now today in our book 2 on page number 34 and 35 we will learn about a new concept, tens and ones. Which concept? Tens and ones. So today I will explain you how to write the numbers separately in tens and ones column. So here I have prepared one sheet for you for explaining. Let's see. Now see this. Here I have put some bars in one straight line and you will count these bars with me. Okay? Then you will came to know the concept of tens and ones very easily. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see in one stick there is 10 bars. How many? 10. Similarly here also 10 bars are there in one stick, and here also I have put 10 bars. Similarly here and then here. So it means it's a bundle of one stick is equal to 10. It's a bundle of 10. So 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So how many it becomes? When you will count it together, it becomes 1 time tens and second time it becomes 20. Then when you will add it, it becomes 30. Then fourth time when you will add it, it becomes 40. And then when fifth time you will add it, it becomes 50. So one row is equal to 10. So here how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rows? 5. So 5 rows means it becomes 50. How many? 50. Like this. 5, 0, 50. Alright. So now when we will put another bar like this, individually one bar. Then here 10 bars were there, but here I have put only one bar. Then what will be the number? Which number will be formed? It is equal to only 1. So 50 and 1. So 50, it is a bundle of 10. So you will write here 5 tens. Alright. And here 1 ones. It's a bundle of 1. The number will be 51. What will be? 5, 1, 51. And you will write it down in separate columns. This will be the ones column and this will be the tens column, like this. Okay, आपको समझ आया? Now move ahead. अब मैंने एक separate bar और लिया like this. 1, 2. If we were having 5 bundles that were equal to 50. That were equal to 50. But now count 2 more. 1, 2. Then 50 and 2 more. The number will be 52. The number will be 52. And here 5 is at tens place. 5 कौन सी place पे है? Tens place पे. And 2 is at which place? 2 is at ones place. Alright. Now this will again the same. Now repeat again. 1, 2, 3. 50 and 3 more. The number will be 53. The number will be 53. So here the 5 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. The number will be 5, 3, 53. So in the same way you will continue. Okay, 5, 4, 54, 5, 5, 55, 5, 6, 56. Okay, now come to your book. Let's read from here. 50 and 1 more, the number will be 51. 50 and 2 more, the number will be 5 to 52. 2 is at ones place and 5 is at tens place. 50 and 3 more, the number will be 53. 3 is at ones place and 5 is at tens place. We have separated the digits in separate columns. 50 and 4 more, the number will be 54. 50 and 5 more, the number will be 55. Next, 50 and 6 more, the number will become 56. 6 ones and 5 tens. 50 and 7 more, the number will be 57. 7 ones and 5 tens. 50 and 8 more, the number will be 58. 50 and 9 more, the number will be 59. 9 ones and 5 tens. And the last is 50 and 10 more. The number will be 60. Now you have added 10. So the number will become 6060. 0 ones and 6 tens. Alright. So in this way you are going to do this tens and ones concept. Alright. Now we will do a worksheet related to this. Come to page number 36. What you have to do on page number 36, children, read here. Write the numbers in the tens and ones places for 51 to 60. So here you can see separate blocks are given to you and it is divided amongst ones and tens, between ones and tens. So you will write this number 51 to 60 in separate columns. As it is written here, you will write it down here. As previously also I have told you, when two digits are there, one you will write in ones column and the second you will write in tens column. Now we will follow the same pattern. Alright. So let's start. 5 tens, 1 ones, 50 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones, 52. 5 tens, 3 ones, 53. 5 tens, 4 ones, 54. You will recite like this and then you will write it down in proper formation. 5 tens, 5 ones. Okay. 5 tens, 6 ones. 5 tens, 7 ones. The number will be 57. 5 tens, 8 ones, 58. 5 tens, 9 ones. The number will be 59. 6 tens and 0 ones. The number will be 60. Alright. So here in this way you are going to write 1, 2 and 3. 3 times you will write, children. I hope it is clear to you. It is clear? Okay. And then you will write it down in very good handwriting and in proper formation. Alright, children. You will recite the number like this. 5 tens, 1 ones. 5 tens, 2 ones, 52. 5 tens, 3 ones, 53. 5 tens, 4 ones, 54. 5 tens, 5 ones, 55. 5 tens, 6 ones, 56. 5 tens, 7 ones, 57. 5 tens, 8 ones, 58. 5 tens, 9 ones, 59. 6 tens, 0 ones, 60. Okay. So in this way you will do this page. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you, children.